Oh, look, Lucy has come to say hi. Lucille. Lucille Ball. What are you doing? Well, hello there. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing. This is the Boxy Charm Basic Box May Edition 2022. I am a basic bitch, so I do get the basic box. And this one will be a full fun surprise because I forgot to make my selections. So let's see what they gave us. Ooh, paper that we don't need. Thanks. All right, our flyer. This month's theme is Super Bloom. Ugh, hope I don't have floral scented stuff. It's not my jam. It's going to tell about each item, but let's just pull them out first. Start with the biggest item here. Looking good. Wow, this is heavy, whatever it is. All right, so Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. Down here it says Glowasis. Glowasis. Let me try that again. I need a toner, so I will try this. I'm not like overly excited that I got it, but looks interesting. With vegan probiotics, prickly pear extract. Nice. Okay. Vegan, clean, effective. Milk Dew. I like the name. Cool. Let's read about it. Here we go. Glowasis Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. Give thirsty skin a drink of Milk Dew. This toner meets moisturizer, features a blend of apricot kernel oil, soybean extract, and cica extract to deeply hydrate, condition, and soothe the skin. It's the perfect energy boost needed to revitalize dull, dehydrated skin with its pH balancing formula. This vegan toner improves the skin's texture and tone. It also helps remove any last traces of dirt or excess oil that can cause breakouts or irritation. Ooh, goes for $34 on the market. Nice. Next, what'd they give me? Skin Ink Serum Glow Filter. What is a Serum Glow Filter? Hydra Micro Capsule. What? I still don't understand. Sorry. Nice box though. It's pretty. Plain, but lovely. All right. Let's read. All right. This one says, glow up with the world's first skincare makeup. Serum Glow Filter. Blending beauty and technology in one bottle. This clever concoction is formulated with rare gold hibiscus extract and Skin Inc's top 2 best-selling serums, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, to give you a selfie filter in real life. It's perfect for day use and is personalized to your skin tone using light reflective technology that enables external light to bounce off your skin, creating a glowy, pearlized finish and reduced appearance of pores and red skin tone. Hi, Joey. Hi, Joe. You think this is for you? Joey, is this for you? Is this for you, Joe? No, it's not for Joey. Not for Joey. Yeah, we're on the couch, by the way. It's a lazy day. Next, this is CAB, K-A-B, Lemon Lime Lip Oil Duo. Okay. I'm really trying to get into lip oils right now because everyone keeps talking about how great they are. I really want some of the new Lunar Beauty lip oils, but I'm on a no new makeup May. Save money this month. So I am actually excited to try these. Look how pretty too. Like that's absolutely stunning. And I love lemon lime. So, hey, Boxy Charm, thanks for the win. All right, down to 2 items. Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint from Ciate, London. Hey, fancy brand. Nice. Let's open. Most of the stuff was pretty boring, so didn't need to open it. That is so cute. unfortunately. The red box is making it look more orangey, I think, than it is. It looks pretty pink to me. Let's see what it says. Papaya. Oh, nice. All right, I'm excited for this. Last item, Basic Beauty. Oh, nice. Basic Beauty for a basic bitch. Getting the basic Boxy Charm. So many basics. And it's stuck. Okay, Basic Beauty. What are you? Ooh, an eyeshadow primer. How nice for me. I think I've mentioned that I don't have a lot of eyeshadow primers and haven't used a lot of eyeshadow primers, so lovely. That is perfect for me. And am I saying, is it basic or basey? Basic. Basic. Okay, yeah. Yeah. How lovely. Oh, look, Lucy has come to say hi. Lucille. Lucille Ball. What are you doing? Oh, she refuses to let anything on my lap except for her. I love it. Never will I lie. I love it. Okay, she's gonna eat all of the boxes. I don't know why. She likes to chew on cardboard and paper. All right, so that was our May Boxy Charm. Uno momento. I'm going to do I'll do a swatch of the blush and my new lip oils, and we'll look at that. Okay, and we're back to recap. This is my items I received in the May 2002 Basic Boxy Charm box. That's Joe, Mr. Joey Allen, who has no consideration for people trying to film. And most of the items are on the back of my hand here now. So right at my wrist on the left is that blush. So far, I don't super love it. It's pretty red in color, like a light red, which my jam is much more of a pink type vibe that I go for. The two swipes in the middle of the screen now are those lip oils. They smell amazing. Also, heads up, so does the blush. It's called Papaya, but it does smell pretty fruity papaya-esque. And so yeah, there are the two lip oil swipes in the middle, both pretty much clear. Both smell amazing, like lemon lime, like a good Sprite, like a delicious Sprite. And if you can see the shine near my knuckles, I did use the Skin Co. serum because it does say, you know, it gives like a shine, a gold sheen, and it sure as heck does. No lies. No lies there, kids. It's really pretty. From opening the Skin Co. Does that remind you of anything? Looks just like the Rose Ink foundation, doesn't it? I was a little confused. I did not know if it was going to have color or be a foundation because this looked so much like the Rose Ink foundation item that they've been selling. Here's our full container of full container of our Gloasis Milk Dew, the pH balancing moisture milk toner. This is heavy, guys. Like, that's glass. Very heavy, very sturdy, very nice packaging. We'll have to see how the toner works though. So there will be future updates on that. The cab, the lip oils. They're beautiful. They're not focusing. Come on. Don't focus on Joey's butt. Focus on the lip oil. And look at how big the applicator is there. It's nice, big, super soft, oily, juicy application, and they smell amazing. One's going in my purse, one's going upstairs at my vanity. I like these two. And then the last two items here are the Dewy Blush in Papaya from Ciate, London, and the Basic Beauty eyeshadow primer. I did not swatch the eyeshadow primer. I mean, it's eyeshadow primer. I will use it in an upcoming video and we'll see how it works. The blush, I don't know. We'll have to see with my my better lighting at my vanity and see what I think. So far, I'm not a huge fan. It might end up in a giveaway. Let me know if you like reddish blushes like this. I mean, it does, like, I stopped blending it out because it looked like it was going to blend away. So, I mean, it's not going to be like a dark, bright red blush on your cheek. It's just going to be that red tone that I'm not a huge fan of, you know, whatever. So, that's this month's Boxy Charm box. We'll refocus on the items here. I actually think this one was a pretty good success. The last couple boxes I have not loved, to put it lightly. And most of the items have gone in a giveaway pile for my next makeup giveaway. But these, I really liked pretty much all of them, except maybe the blush, and that's only because it's not really one of my favorite colors. But yeah, so anyway, I will be doing my Boxy Charm unboxings every month as I receive my items. Yes, that is my dog's butt. You are welcome. It's fluffy and cute, so can't go wrong. I also get a Smartass and Sass subscription box every month that I will be doing an unboxing for because they are hilarious and always have amazing items. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the all button so that you are notified of all of my videos, including all of my unboxings, and share this with friends. I'm a small new channel. I could use your help. My end goal is world domination, and I can't achieve that without your help. So please, again, like, subscribe, and share.